introducing the executive director of PhillyCam, a nonprofit community media center that operates the City of Philadelphia's public access television station, and soon a new low-power FM radio station, WPPM.
We need your support to get this radio station off the ground. With your help, we can buy an antenna, transmitter, and upgrade our radio studio.
WPPM studios will be located in the same building as our television studios. Our signal will reach over 800,000 people in Philadelphia and Camden. And if you don't live in our coverage area, you'll be able to listen to us online.
PhillyCam Radio is truly independent, grassroots, non-commercial, and listener supported. This is your radio. This is Philly's radio station. Anyone can get involved. You can participate. So come on down and get down with PhillyCam Radio.
How are we different from other radio stations? WPPM is people-powered media.
Media activists fought for decades to bring public access television and low-power FM to Philly. I've seen firsthand the power of people coming together to make their own media.
My name is Roy Burton, and I'm the host of a sports talk radio show called The Broad Street Line. Whether it happens on the court or on the field, you hear about it on our show. The Broad Street Line. The future of sports talk radio has finally arrived.
When I was 16 years old, I found a community radio station in my home city of Washington, D.C., where I could produce stories that mattered to me. Now I'm doing the same thing with youth right here in Philadelphia in a program called Mighty Radio.
Community Radio.
Or you.
Bye.
I'm Derwood Selby, and I host the Selby Signature Food Show on Public Access TV, and now I'm taking it to radio.
My name is Camille Feelings, and on my radio show, we're going to be talking about how arts and culture connects with social and community issues.
My name is Ricky, and I want to do a show on Philly's lost radio hits.
This is Darryl Lloyd, host of Turning Life Corners, where we'll be dropping dimes for information for you.
Community radio is positively powerful.
Really real radio.
Our message, our voices.
It is the place where you can organically tell the stories of your life.
It's free and accessible to everyone.
It's participatory. It's the audience picking up the phone, emailing, social media, and having their voice be heard on the radio within minutes.
Your source for all genres of local music.
Community radio is the flavor of the city.
Invest in your community radio station, and with your help, we can make WPPM LPFM a reality.